Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best fiber optic lights you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. AKEPO 16W Fiber Optic Light Star Ceiling Light. If you are on a budget and still want fiber optic lights which are highly durable and reliable, then you should consider the AKEPO and its offerings, out of which one has been mentioned here. These AKEPO fiber optic lights come at the third position of this list, as this option is highly reliable without being too expensive. It is able to offer a low price tag since it only has a total of 150 light pieces. Another thing which you would expect from a budget option like this one, it has a length of 5 feet, which means that it is more ideal for car usage and not home. In either case, you can easily control the lights using the included smartphone app. Thankfully, you do get a 2-year-long warranty with these lights, making them highly reliable. If you want to try something different in optic fiber lights, Westminster Fiber Optic Light would be a good choice for you. The height of light sprays is also not less. In fact, they stand up to a huge height of 13 inches, as if this was not enough to please you. Moreover, it features a stable crystal base, which absolutely complements the vibrant sparkle of lights. Pros: affordable yet reliable option. Includes a smartphone app and controller. Decent length rating. Rated length of 5 feet. Cons: could have used more light pieces. Number 2. Azimon Bluetooth / App Control 16W Twinkle Fiber Optic Light Star. While there might be many brands of fiber optic lights out there, Azimon is known for offering highly powerful options which are also equally reliable. Azimon's fiber optic lights come at the second position of this list, as this is the most powerful option present here. With its 550 light pieces, you can expect an excellent star effect along with a high brightness output from these 16-watt fiber optic lights. Apart from including a lot of lights, you also get a very high length of 1 foot, which is more than enough even for home usage. Since it is a premium product, you get support for a smartphone app as well as an included controller. It even offers a 2-year-long warranty, making it highly reliable and durable. Duka Fiber Optic Light is a multi-purpose fiber optic light that can be efficiently used indoors as well as outdoors. Moreover, the lamp is also battery-powered and features a powerful battery of 3 AAA. In addition to that, it is also extremely easy to operate. You simply need to press the power on button, that's it, it will start doing its job. Pros: high-performance fiber optic lights. Quite a long light. Supports both app and controller. Budget-friendly lights. Cons: a bit on the expensive side. Number 3. 16W Bluetooth Twinkle Fiber Optic Star Ceiling Lights Lamp Kit. Coming back to high-performance options, we have AKEPO, which offers many high-performance fiber optic lights which can be used in different applications with ease. The AKEPO fiber optic lights is a high-performance option which offers a high brightness output thanks to its 16-watt rating. Other than being powerful, you also get a great-looking star effect thanks to its 450 light pieces. You can easily install all of these lights as the given length rating is quite high at 8 feet. Since you have such a long length, you get a remote controller and a smartphone app so that you do not have to reach for dials. While you do get a 2-year-long warranty, its build quality is a bit average. You can't resist the amazing color production of the light-ahead fiber optic lamp. It produces an outburst of illuminating lights that get scattered in a wide range. The lights are inbuilt with a color-changing function, which produces green, red, and blue-colored lights. Moreover, it's cone-shaped crystal base doesn't only provide reliable stability but also blends in perfectly with the glitter of light, intensifying the illumination. Pros: high-performance fiber optic lights. Handy mobile app. Pretty long lights. 2-year-long warranty. Cons: build quality could have been better. Number 4. 2 PCS LED Colorful Changing Fiber Optic Fountain Light. If one fiber optic light is not enough to fill your entire home with sparkling lights, this ENA optic light lamp is made for you. The set includes 2 pieces and each of them features a 3 AAA battery. Owing to its powerful battery, the lights reach up to a huge height of 34 centimeters high in the open sky. The lights are designed with a color-changing function, given the fact they create a colorful and warm atmosphere all around. To ensure firm stability, it is inbuilt with a reflective chrome base. If you want to take your experience with fiber optic lights to the next level, get this amazing fiber optic lamp by Lianya. Unlike many other fiber optic lamps, it is remote controllable and offers 16 different light variations. You can change the light patterns, color brightness, and other functions easily with the remote. The lamp uses a powerful battery of 3A, so you don't need to worry about its battery getting low. The color will automatically change at a certain frequency. Moreover, its rose-shaped base looks really breathtaking when the lights are all lit up. Pros: budget-friendly lights, decent brightness and light count, common length of 6.5 feet. Cons: only a 30-day long warranty. Number 5. Chinle Twinkle 370 PCS 9.8 feet fiber optic lights. Chinle is one of the most popular options out there when it comes to fiber optic lights, since its offerings work for both cars as well as home ceilings, making it highly versatile. The Chinle fiber optic lights come at the first position of this list, as this option works for both home use as well as car use, and it allows you to do this while having decent brightness output from its 370 light pieces. With its given length of 9.8 feet, you can easily install these lights anywhere without any issues. Once installed, they can be controlled using the included Bluetooth control app for ease of use. With Guiderwell, you can find more fiber optic lights which are more ideal for car usage and not home usage because of their specifications and performance numbers. Despite being one of the cheapest options out there, you get 300 light pieces. As for its length, these are 6.5 feet long lights which can be used in small rooms or in a car without any issues. Unfortunately, you only get a 30-day long warranty with these lights, which might be an issue for many. Pros: easy-to-use smartphone app, RGB lights for color control, decent brightness output. Cons: short warranty period. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.